Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's gonna be for you moms out there, even fathers out there with daughters that have these type of dolls in your guys' household. As you can see, I have 2 daughters and they have double the dolls. So I'm gonna show you guys my little trick on how I fix their hair and get it maintained, and just so they could look kind of presentable and the kids don't just like throw them off to the side. So if you guys want to keep on watching, go ahead and stay tuned. I do want to throw in a disclaimer, it's going to take you hours. So you're going to need a large enough bowl for your dolls, some steaming hot water, fabric softener of your choice, measuring cup of 1/4, accessories for your dolls to do their hair, a white comb, brush, comb, mini comb, a towel. Okay, so my hot water is done boiling. I am going to This is 1/4 of a cup. If you don't have 1/4 and you can use tablespoons, it is 4 tablespoons to make 1/4. This is my Downy. You can use any of your fabric softeners. Okay, so for example, if your guys' doll's hair is not just going slick, just gotta keep doing this all over again. Same portions of fabric softener, same boiling water. It's gonna be a little frustrating. This thing is so time consuming, guys. So patience is key. So I'm gonna add that to the mix. Add the rest of my water just to fill it. These are the dolls that I'm going to be doing. I know that a lot of you guys' daughters have these dolls, if not the Baby Alives or even simple Barbies or the My Little Ponies. So you're just gonna, I'm going to let this one sink in, but you're really just going to set them all and let their hair soak. So you either want to like bend their body or just kind of let them soak in. And then for the bigger ones, you just bend the legs and dunk their head. You're gonna have to do this a few times depending on how many dolls you have and how tangled their hair is and how big of a bowl you're using. So you're gonna let those soak in, and I'm gonna let it hang off of the wall for a little and just let it soak in for about 5 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead and do this one, as you can see. Take off their clothes just because it does get wet, but like for this one I just pulled it down and I'm trying to take off all the clothes here. Okay, so this is a process of literally combing it out. I'm telling you, if you do not have patience, don't do it. I started regretting it, but then it's like satisfying after you see when they're all done, which I will show in the next clip. But yeah, it's very, very time consuming. Like very time consuming, but it's worth it. Kids are happy. Okay, so this is kind of how I do the curls. As you can see, I already did hers. It's a little when you get your hair like this, you just gotta keep redoing it. Just do the process all over again. But since I have about a lot to do, I'm not gonna keep doing it. I usually clean up their toys and stuff like that, so I will do this. Get my thing, put it on the warm, put it on warm, put it on low. Just do that for a little, and I will easy peasy, guys. It's a lot of dedication. There you go. Okay, so this is what I got so far. It's very, very time consuming. Like, you really have to dedicate yourself. Like, if you don't like to do your hair, if you don't like to brush your kids' hair, I would not recommend this for you. But this is the end result. This one, it looks, you know how when you like fry your hair, I guess you can say, but it looks like, it feels and it looks like when you fry your hair, all you really have to do is just keep doing the same process over and over. This is the My Little Ponies here. You can also still do it, still a little fried, and you can also give them a little trim. I showed you guys how I curl the bangs, and there is Anna and Elsa. Okay guys, so I know that this video looks really like summed up and easy and shit, makes me want to do it, like, which it's cool, but it's really time consuming. Don't let this video flop. I literally took about an hour on each doll and I didn't even finish. So you can see I still have to like clean them fully, like wipe them down and stuff, but this is such a product. It's so yeah, this is the final product for now. I do this at least once a month or twice a month. It really depends on how I'm feeling. But yeah, these I am going to let them soak because they are a little bit more. And as you guys seen in the other clip, the Pocahontas, there's a Pocahontas. So I'm just gonna let it soak because these are a little bit more tangled. I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe want to do your kids' toys. Now we are just gonna go ahead and put the clothes on. And that's that. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos that I have. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.
Make